Best deals.
1. Oil strainer, your ultimate kitchen companion for all your frying needs. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, this versatile oil strainer and skimmer is perfect for preparing a variety of dishes, from crispy puris and puris to perfectly cooked rice. Strainers for kitchen steel achieve perfect crispy results with our stainless steel deep fry net spoon. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Glass jar. Helps in storing your everyday kitchen needs and other snacks, making your kitchen tidier and more organized. By keeping everything organized and in place, you end up saving more space in your kitchen or pantry. The transparent mimosa jar flaunts a modern and sleek design. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Ghee container. Made with high-quality food-grade material which makes the steel ghee pot strong and gives it an authentic look. Easy to clean and wash, its compact size makes it easy to store in the kitchen. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Pot set. Crafted with a high-quality stainless steel core, this handy set ensures durability and long-lasting shine. The sturdy construction resists wear while offering a premium look that enhances your dining presentation. Ideal for daily meals, family gatherings, and special occasions with portion flexibility. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Electric rice cooker. Can help cook your favorite cuisine. Cook the rice you enjoy with the 3 rice cooking options: sticky, soft, and savory. The detachable lid, non-stick inner pot, excess water drainage system, and automatic steam clean program helps keep your rice cooker clean and your dishes tasting great. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dustbin. Made up of 100% food-grade material that can be used for both dry and wet waste. Its robust design and attractive colors match any ambience and make it ideal for both office and home. Its creative design and smooth pedals and swings make it a hassle-free experience. Dustbin's lids are sturdily made with the highest grade plastic. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Garbage bags. Offer reliable leak-proof protection with star-sealed bottoms for extra strength. Each roll comes with detachable tie tape, making it easy to seal and dispose of waste mess-free. Keep your space clean with durable solutions. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Food dehydrator. You can now make banana chips, meat jerky, fruit and veggie snacks, and tons of other healthy and tasty treats, the quick, easy, and natural way. Preserve your food without using any chemicals, fillers, or preservatives, and enjoy its full flavor and nutrition. The possibilities are quite literally endless. All you have to do is experiment. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Lunchbox is a premium quality borosilicate glass lunch box. It is specially designed to take care of day-to-day use and keep food fresh. It is perfect for office-going people and school-going children. Its unique shape and size make it perfect to carry in small hand and shoulder bags. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Tray allows you to put everything: coffee, wine, snacks, remote, phone, you need within arm's distance as you sink into your sofa and enjoy movies or live sports. Foldable design makes it easy to store. Carry it with you on your picnics or outings. Premium quality repurposed teak is used to make this sofa armrest mat. Simply place the mat on flat arm sofas or keep it on the cushion for sofas that have round arms. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Juicer. With anti-drip smart cap ensures mess-free juicing. Prevents spills, keeps your kitchen counter clean, and allows you to mix multiple fruit and vegetable juices inside the cold press juicer before serving. Save time, reduce prep work, and enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juice quickly and easily. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Kettle. The built-in thermometer helps to check the water temperature, and it's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Trivet mats. Is light and sturdy, it can be used as a jar opener, and you can easily unscrew the cap. They are completely high heat resistant up to 230 degrees Celsius. Trivita easy to use, multi-purpose, easy to clean and durable. Mats are designed to withstand high temperatures, protecting your dining table and kitchen surfaces from heat damage. Ideal for placing hot pots, pans, bowls. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Popcorn maker. Enjoy fresh, fluffy and crunchy popcorn in just 3 minutes with the fast-heating lifelong electric popcorn maker. The popcorn maker comes with a cool touch base to prevent accidental burns, ensuring safe use for all ages. The removable lid and stirring rod are dishwasher safe, making cleanup fast and easy. The clear, see-through lid lets you watch as every kernel pops to perfection. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Coconut opener tool. Simply pop off the top of the coconut. The tool will crack an opening you can remove to either pour out the water or simply insert a straw. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Hooks. Designed as photo frame hooks for wall without drilling, these sticker hooks for walls offer reliable support in a compact, minimalist form. Each adhesive wall hook uses strong bonding to behave like sticky hooks for wall heavy duty. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Blanket cover. Transparent window to instantly know what is kept inside. 2 soft sturdy front grab handle for easy lifting, removal and replacement. Completely collapsible to stow away when not in use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Pepper shakers. Crafted from high quality, food grade materials, this shaker is both durable and lightweight, ensuring long-lasting performance for daily use. The transparent design allows you to easily monitor the seasoning levels, so you never run out unexpectedly. Featuring a secure, spill-proof lid. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Kettle. Is designed to make your cooking experience easy, quick, and versatile. With a range of features tailored to enhance your cooking and boiling tasks, this electric kettle is a valuable addition to your kitchen. The Borosil Quick Electric Multi-Kettle is your solution for quick and efficient cooking and boiling. It's not just a kettle, it's a versatile kitchen companion designed to make your culinary tasks a breeze. Enjoy the convenience and safety of Borosil in your kitchen. Built-in microprocessor monitors pressure, temperature, keeps time, adjusts heat intensity and duration to prepare healthy, tasty dishes. Cooking with high pressure reduces cooking time by up to 70% and cooking with low pressure avoids overcooking delicate foods. Brushed stainless steel, fingerprint resistant, with lid holder for left and right-handed users, removable cord. Kettle is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance that makes cooking and boiling a breeze. With a 1.5-liter capacity and 800 W power, this kettle allows you to prepare a variety of dishes, from rice and pasta to vegetables, eggs, and more. The included 2 pots and egg boiler tray provide added flexibility, while the temperature control feature ensures precise cooking. The detachable power cord and auto power off function add to the safety and convenience of this appliance. The pilot light provides a clear indication of the kettle's status, making it easy to use and monitor. Perfect for small households, offices, or dormitories. Kettle is an ideal solution for those looking for a compact and efficient cooking solution. Its white design adds a touch of style to any kitchen. Steaming is one of the most nutritious ways of cooking food, because it allows the boiling water to vaporize into steam, and the steam heats the food without removing its nutrients. The food stays separate from the boiling water and this results in a fine color, moist texture, flavor and taste in your food. This differs from boiling your food because the process of boiling can leach your food of nutrients. That being said, steaming is impossible if you don't have the right kitchen tools to help you to do it. Product link is given in the 19th link.